Welcome to Slow Home Studio. Too many people live in badly designed houses and we want to change that. Today is Tuesday, May 31st, and John Brown is away this week, so I'm going to be holding down the fort for everybody. What we thought we would do today is show part one of our two-part interview with Bryn Davidson, who is the owner of Lanefab. And you guys will remember a few weeks ago, we did an in-detail look at the Lanefab housing in Vancouver. So here's part one of John's interview.
Tell me about Lanefab.
Lanefab is a design-build company. We've been around for about 2 years now. It's a partnership between myself as a designer and then my business partner Matt Turner, who's a builder. He's been building for over 10 years. I guess it was about a year and a half ago the City of Vancouver passed the Lane House building bylaw. And when they passed that, we started signing up clients to build these laneway houses throughout the city. We built the first one in the city and have been building a lot of these custom projects. All of them are built to a very high energy efficiency standard with structural insulated panel walls that are over a foot thick and about an R40 value. Many of our clients are homeowners who are actually looking to move out of their older main house and move into the Lane House and then rent the main house.
What would you say the biggest design challenges are?
The biggest design challenge is, well, there's a pretty extensive set of rules that these things have to fit within, and so everyone has to go through an extensive design review with the city planners in order to fit within those bylaws, and then also limit the impacts of overlook onto neighbors and also shading. Everything that goes into a normal house goes into one of these lane houses, so it has all the same finishes, all the same appliances. It has its own sewer, water, electrical connection. There's sprinklered. So there's a lot that has to be fit into these very tiny buildings, and so it's a question of how do you make the most of limited space.
So when you're starting to design the interior, what do you start with?
We basically have two kind of variations. One is the sort of traditional layout with the kitchen and living room on the ground floor and then bedrooms upstairs. And then the other sort of alternative, like what we have in this project, is the bedrooms and bathroom are actually downstairs with the living room, dining room, and balcony upstairs. And so that kind of first decision really impacts where is the public outdoor space, where's the front door, and where do the stairs go. Because with all these projects, we're trying to really limit the amount of circulation space. And we're trying to make every other space have a number of different functions so that there isn't any one space serving just one function.
So there you have it, some very interesting design concepts from Lanefab in Vancouver. And I'd like to remind everybody that if you'd like to learn more about the slow home design principles, to pick up a copy of John and my book entitled What's Wrong with This House. It's available for sale on the Slow Home Studio website as well as on Amazon, and it's also available in the Kindle format. See you tomorrow.